If you're currently going through a U.S. immigration process, you may have heard about the Lawfully case tracker app. It's one of the most popular tools people use to track visa, green card, and citizenship applications directly from their phones. The app promises real-time case updates, timeline predictions, and helpful insights about immigration processing. But in 2026, an important question remains. Is the Lawfully case tracker app actually useful, or is it just another unnecessary tracking app? Let's take a closer look. To start with, Lawfully is a mobile app designed to help people track immigration cases with agencies like USCIS. Normally, when you apply for something like a green card or visa, you receive a receipt number that allows you to check your case status on the government website. The problem is that many applicants check that website constantly, sometimes every day, hoping for an update. This is where Lawfully comes in. Instead of manually checking the website, you simply enter your case number into the app, and it will monitor the status for you. If there is any update, like a request for evidence, approval, or status change, the app sends you a notification. For many people going through long immigration processes, this feature alone can make the waiting period much less stressful. Another feature that makes Lawfully stand out is its case timeline prediction system. The app analyzes thousands of immigration cases and compares them with your own application. Based on that data, it tries to estimate how long your case might take and what your chances of approval could be. While these predictions are not official, many users say they appreciate having at least some idea of what to expect. Lawfully also includes a community feature where users can share their timelines and experiences. This allows people to compare their cases with others who applied for the same visa or immigration category. For applicants who feel uncertain about the process, seeing other timelines can help them understand what stage they are currently in. Another advantage of the app is convenience. Instead of logging into government websites repeatedly, you can track multiple cases in one place and receive updates automatically. This is especially useful for families or immigration lawyers managing several applications at once. However, the app does have some limitations. One common criticism is that the timeline predictions are not always accurate. Immigration processing depends on many factors, including government workload and individual case details. Because of that, the app's estimates should only be seen as rough predictions rather than reliable timelines. Another downside is that some of the advanced features require a paid subscription. While the basic case tracking is usually free, certain analysis tools and premium insights are locked behind the paid version. For some users, these extra features may not feel necessary. It's also important to remember that Lawfully does not control immigration decisions. The official case status always comes from government agencies like USCIS, so the app should be viewed as a tracking tool rather than an official source. So, is the Lawfully case tracker app worth using in 2026? The honest answer is that it can be very helpful for people who want an easier way to monitor their immigration cases. The automatic notifications and organized tracking system can save time and reduce the stress of constantly checking government websites. However, if you're comfortable checking your case status manually, the app may not add much additional value beyond convenience. Overall, Lawfully works best as a simple companion tool for immigration applicants. It won't speed up your case, but it can make the waiting process a little easier to manage. If this review helped you decide whether the Lawfully Case Tracker app is worth trying, consider subscribing for more honest reviews of useful apps and online tools. And let me know in the comments, would you trust an app to track your immigration case, or would you rather rely only on official government websites?